Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to share live location in WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to share the live location in WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone and open the chat box of the person to whom you want to share your live location. And if that person is not on this list, you can see the plus button at the bottom right corner of the screen on the green box. Tap on it and you will be able to search for that person by tapping on the magnifying glass icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it and search for that person over here, and after that open the chat box of that person. And now over here, in order to share your live location, you can see there is the attachment icon over here at the message bar where I'm tapping right now. Tap on that attachment icon and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the location option available for us just beside the audio. Tap on location, and over here you can see there is the share live location option available for us just above the send your current location. But guys, if you're not on this page, then you will be required to accept some permissions which WhatsApp requires from your phone in order to share your live location. And after accepting all the permissions, you will be on this interface where you can see the share live location button available for us. Tap on that and you can see you'll be able to choose the duration until which you want to share your live location, either 14 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours. It's upon you guys. And of that, you can add a comment over here whichever you like. So I'll be just typing in I'm here and tap on the send button or the airplane icon at the right side of the box, and your live location will be shared until 6:03 p.m. it shows guys, which means an hour. And with that being said guys, this is how to share live location in WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.